In a world where cyber attacks and kamikaze drones have become a daily reality, the protection of heads of state has turned into an arms race hidden beneath layers of expensive leather and lacquer. Imagine a car door that weighs as much as the cabin door of a Boeing 757, or a vehicle capable of remaining underwater for 3 hours while the president continues to issue orders via a secure satellite link. The development of the American Beast alone cost taxpayers nearly $16 million. In this episode of Maxi Five, we will answer questions such as, why does a presidential limousine need electrified door handles and a blood bank in the trunk? Why did the Aurus abandon Apple and Android systems in favor of total digital isolation? And which vehicle in our top list can literally blow off its doors using pyrotechnic charges? By the year 2026, the armored vehicle market has split. Global leaders, the USA, Russia, and China, have completely moved away from serial platforms. While these used to be stretched sedans, today they are custom-built monsters sitting on heavy-duty truck chassis. The main trend of 2026 is digital sovereignty. Leading limousines no longer use public communication protocols to eliminate the possibility of remote hacking. We are seeing a shift to hybrid powertrains and diesel engines, not for the sake of ecology, but for the massive torque capable of moving 9 tons of steel in the event of an explosion. Fasten your seatbelts. This is a breakdown of technology that is stronger than gravity and bullets. Opening our list is the official transport of the British monarchy, the Bentley State Limousine. Only 2 units exist in the entire world. The windows of this car are barely tinted, a tradition so that the public can see the Queen or King. However, they are protected by thick polycarbonate armor. The body of this Bentley consists of 80% high-strength steel and Kevlar. The roof was specially raised by 900 millimeters so that the monarch could enter the cabin without removing their headwear. Unique fact: the evacuation system. In the event of locks jamming during an attack, the doors are literally blown off by powerful pyrotechnic charges. Despite weighing 4 tons, the car maintains perfect silence thanks to a double layer of composite soundproofing. Even the tires have an internal hard disk that prevents the car from sagging even under a total loss of pressure. True protection often doesn't scream about itself with flashy design. In 4th place is the most secretive car on our list, developed exclusively for the leader of China. The length of this behemoth exceeds 6 meters. Under the hood lies an engine producing 762 horsepower. There are always 3 identical vehicles in the motorcade, with military plates to hide which one the leader is actually in. The secret feature of this model is the built-in electronic warfare (EW) systems. They suppress all signals within a 50-meter radius to prevent the detonation of remote-controlled mines. This is the calling card of the Chinese auto industry, declaring to the world that Beijing no longer copies, it dictates its own rules. Third place goes to the flagship of the Russian cortege project, the Aurus Senat. Weight 7 tons, ground clearance 20 centimeters, acceleration to 60 miles per hour, just 10 seconds. To achieve such dynamics, engineers created a unique hybrid setup, a V8 4.4-liter engine paired with a powerful electric motor built directly into a 9-speed automatic transmission. This produces a colossal 880 Newton-meters of torque, allowing the limo to literally jump from a standstill despite its tank-like weight. Instead of a rear window, there is a solid armor plate. The president views the world through monitors broadcasting data from 360-degree cameras. In 2026, the Aurus confirmed its status as the smartest armored car. The alarm system, when attacked, turns the car into a light and sound bomb, disorienting attackers with strobe lights and sirens exceeding 120 decibels. But the most incredible part is its airtightness. The Aurus is the only car in the world capable of surviving full immersion in water. In a matter of seconds, a special system blocks the intake of external air and switches to internal tanks, guaranteeing the operation of communications and life support systems deep underwater. The Limousine's control code is entirely proprietary and isolated from external networks, making it a digital fortress invulnerable to hackers. Silver goes to German engineering, the Mercedes-Benz S680 Guard. This is a tank masquerading as a civilian car. It is the only serial car in the world with a full VR10 protection certificate. Unlike competitors, where armor is added to a finished body, the Guard is built around an armored capsule made of specially hardened steel and composites. This allows it to maintain factory-level handling and comfort, despite weighing over 4 tons. The glass, 6 centimeters thick, can withstand a direct volley from a Dragunov sniper rifle using armor-piercing rounds. Inside the glass is a layer of polycarbonate that holds shards in place if a grenade hits, maintaining perfect visibility for the driver. Michelin PAX tires with a run-flat system allow for an escape at 50 miles per hour, even if the tires are riddled with bullets. An internal steel ring on the rim takes the weight of the car, preventing loss of control. This is the choice for those who value discretion. Unlike the massive limousines of the USA or Russia, the Mercedes is nearly indistinguishable from a standard S-Class. It easily navigates the narrow streets of European capitals without attracting unnecessary attention. Under the hood, however, sits a legendary V12 producing 612 horsepower, allowing the limo to perform complex evasive maneuvers where heavy 9-ton monsters would simply get stuck. Number 1. The mobile command post for the President of the United States, Cadillac One, nicknamed the Beast. Its curb weight is 9,100 kilograms, an absolute record for passenger transport. The limousine is based on a GMC Topkick heavy truck chassis, capable of supporting the weight of 8-inch armor made of steel, aluminum, titanium, and ceramics. The windows are 12 centimeters thick, a 5-layer bulletproof sandwich. The door weighs as much as a Boeing 757 door and opens only via a special digital code known only to Secret Service agents. The underbody of the Beast is covered by a solid 7-inch steel plate that completely neutralizes the energy of an anti-tank mine explosion directly beneath the president's feet. The front bumper houses tear gas cannons and night vision cameras. The rear features a system for dropping oil and steel spikes to neutralize pursuers. But the main secret is inside. The cabin is a hermetic citadel with its own oxygen supply, capable of withstanding a nuclear or biological strike. It always carries a supply of the president's specific blood type, a defibrillator, and a direct satellite link to the Pentagon. In 2026, the Beast remains the most protected object on the planet after a nuclear bunker. If an enemy attempts to open the door from the outside, an electric system sends a high-voltage charge through the handles, instantly neutralizing the threat. We see that in the year 2026, a presidential armored car is a fusion of medicine, communication, and heavy armor. Our forecast for the next 6 months. We will see even deeper integration of anti-drone defense systems directly into the vehicle's body. Safety is no longer measured solely by the thickness of the steel. It is measured by the speed of the AI making decisions inside that steel. What do you think? Which of these machines would truly save its owner in a stalemate situation? The Aurus or the Beast? Let us know in the comments. I read everything. This was Maxi Five. Like for the power of engineering, and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown of giants. See you next time.